Hello viewers, I am Dr. Vikas Gupta. Here I am sharing the research legal thought progressing to propound a new school of jurisprudence. The objective of any legal research is to promote and eulogize human behavior. Researchers have always played a pivotal role in human life, and its relevance becomes more vital when it is related with law. To achieve the best possible results from such legal researches, it is indispensable to understand the jurisprudence behind the grassroots of social facts. Jurisprudence is a progressive mechanism to develop a legal thought after examining and analyzing the social facts impacting the individual as well as the society as a whole. Jurisprudence starts with the most pertinent question, and the question is, what is law? Number of great jurists of different schools of jurisprudence and political thinkers, philosophers deliberated on law in their own understanding. But majority of such deliberations are influenced by their way of born and brought up. Sometimes law was called as command. Sometimes law was made dependent on pain and pleasure. Sometimes law was set as a coercive order that imposed duties and obligations. Sometimes law has a hierarchy of norms. Some jurist says that law is a power flow to govern the state. Some says law has its source in the general consciousness of the people. Sometimes law was made dependent on progressive society and static society. Sometimes law is what the judges decide. Sometimes it is said that living law is a framework for the routine structuring of the social relationships. Sometimes law is said as a social engineering. And sometimes law is the product of economic forces. Sometimes law is reasoned thought embodied in the decrees of the state, and many more. Still the question is alive. What is law? In the coming series on YouTube, we will progress to propound a new school of jurisprudence, that is, opportunistic school of jurisprudence. Please keep watching and questioning to yourself as well as from others. What is law?